Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we would be trying the Faces Canada Splash Nail Enamel. Now these are currently retailing for around 109 rupees and you get around 8 ml of the product, which I think is a really good price range that they have, and the texture of these shades are really amazing. A single coat is enough. It does not appear to be streaky. It lasts easily for around 4 to 5 days, and after that it starts chipping around the edges. So I would suggest a double coat which easily lasts for around 10 days to 2 weeks, which is really amazing given the price. And they almost have every color. They have a wide variety of shades, which I think is enough for everyone's liking. There are definitely shades for everyone's liking. So without any further ado, let's go and try the shades. So all the colors are super amazing. They're very beautiful shades, and just cause I like that extra glitter, of course glitters never less, I'll go ahead and apply a second coat of the shade All That Glitters, just because I like it to be darker. That's as per my liking. Y'all can even apply a single coat that's a very almost sort of a transparent gold color. Right now it's slightly darker and it can be seen as a golden glittery shade, and all of these shades are non-streaky and they apply really beautiful just with a single coat. Would just like to mention that these shades are also super easy for removing. You can just see how easy it is to remove, and also these shades do not leave a tint behind on your nails. Many of the cheaper nail polishes in the market leave a tint behind after removal, but these are really not like that, and as you can see it's very clear, it's very clean after removing, and it's super easy to remove. So all in all, I think this is a really amazing product given the price range, given the colors, given the texture, given the durability, the long lasting effect. I think for the price range, this is definitely worth the try. And a while back I've just tried my favorite shades, and I definitely recommend you guys to try these shades and give a feedback in the comments section about how do you like this product, which colors do you like. And if you do find this video helpful, please do give it a like, please do give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And you can mention in the comment section if you want me to try any specific product, and I will try to cover it up in my upcoming videos. Thank you.